project time. Basically, it is practicing what we learned in the last video tutorial. I've picked an image for you. This one's by Timothy Paul Smith. It's an Unsplash image, but you can use your own. But this one here is a really good kind of, example of something. It's not shot in a studio. The lighting is a lot more contrasting and natural. A really good image to practice on. So I want you to mask it out and put it onto your own background. So you can find a background on either Unsplash or through Google Images. And here are the tasks. So I've built a class projects file. Okay, it's this Word doc. You can go check it out if you can't remember what you need to do. It is in your exercise files, okay, under projects, and there it is, class projects. If you open that up, you'll get to here. This is what I want you to do. Open this image, make your initial selection with the quick selection tool, use that select and mask we learned in the last video to fix the edges, add it to another background that you find, and depending on the background you might leave it as is, but you might do some drop shadow or play around with the levels to get them to match. And then, like always, I'd love to see what you did. So share them on the site or share them with me on Instagram. I am Bring Your Own Laptop. Tag me in. Love to see what you do. Alright, so that's it. Photoshop lovers.